What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And Glovebox, monthly Glovebox. It just came again. It's like Christmas every single month. Can you stay there? Yeah, you can, buddy. I'm so excited. So let's just unravel this beautiful gift here. I'm very excited as always. So what is this? This is a save 50% on one 32-ounce bottle of original super clean cleaner and degreaser. I guess you present this to AutoZone, Ace Hardware, O'Reilly, Napa, Walmart. That's freaking cool. Put that on the side. As you know, this is the deluxe box, so they give you a step-by-step guide. They have links down below, lots of discount codes for specific people that you can go to, like Malco, CarPro, and whatnot. Plus, they show you what the total retail value is. So this box would be worth $100, which is nowhere near what you'd be paying for it. Tells you about the YouTube, the unboxing, when it drops, so May 10th. By the way, it is May. It will be May 10th very soon. Mother's Day is tomorrow. I'm not sure when I will upload this, but hopefully soon. I am backed up. I have lots of things that I haven't even finished. This is a pretty cool decal, clean, drive, repeat, Oracle, which quality, I enjoy it. So let's see. As always, fluffy quality microfiber towel, and it's gray. I actually like these colors that aren't like too dark because they will show dirt, and I like that because how else are you going to know when your towel is sufficiently soiled? We've got a microfiber applicator. Now these all work together, so it may not make sense why this and this is here, but when you start opening up more, you'll know. This is ridiculously cool. So this is a brush, I'm assuming, for upholstery. So this is a drill brush, and it attaches to your drill. I have one, but it's white, and I like the red significantly better, and it even says Glovebox, detail matters, and it's actually kind of cool. These are some very stiff bristles, so be careful what you're going to attach this onto the drill and drill with. So I'm going to say, just use your judgment. This kind of got a little bit destroyed because I think this opened up a little bit, which is not Glovebox's fault, but this definitely spillaged in there and ate that foam away. But that's okay, because I have lots of applicator pads, so this is not a big deal. I will wipe that off, but I do like this because it is an all-wheel cleaner, which I have not used by Super Clean, so that's good. Let me get the rest of this stuff out of here before it gets messed up. CarPro Pearl. This is one of my favorite tire dressings. You can dilute this. A lot of people do. A lot of people leave it straight. If you want, you can do it 1 to 3. You know, for external plastics, it says engine, to give you kind of like a guideline of what you could dilute it and expect to use it for. That kind of makes more sense with this if you want to use that as an applicator. And then we've got this by Malco, all-in-one polish and protection. Okay, so this could also be why that applicator is there. This looks like it's a nice all-in-one polish. So if you have, you know, some light swirling and whatnot on the paint, and you want to take this to it, corrects and protects in one step. So, you know, these are handy. I'm not big into all-in-ones. For me, no matter really what it is, I stick with 2 steps basically, because I feel like you could get so much more level of refinement if you polish with a traditional 1-step, which, you know, obviously don't go too heavy, you know, least aggressive method first. You hear that over and over again, but it's probably one of the most true statements that goes with detailing and specifically paint correction. Use white pads first, different degrees of polish. Use yellow pad. Usually that's where everybody ends up, is the Rupes yellow pad, for instance. But for instance, I've had my friend's Camaro in here, and we were polishing it, and we did a 1-step, but it had a Rupes yellow wool pad, and we actually ended up going pretty aggressive Jescar correcting compound, and it finished down perfect. If we had more time, I would have probably gone over that again with Sonak's perfect finish and a different pad. I don't even know if the yellow pad would have worked because the paint, the clear, seemed pretty tough. So this is one of those things, it's a very tough thing to explain, but it says orbital, rotary, or by hand. So dual action polishers, rotary, forced rotation by hand. Pretty cool. Now, I've heard of Malco specifically because some of the YouTubes out there are talking about these products, well, specifically this one product that they make that can help remove oxidation before you paint. So I'm going to look into that at one point. But yeah, this is a pretty good box. I like it. Anytime I get a new wheel cleaner, I get excited. I like to always test and try. Having more CarPro Pearl, especially in the actual bottle, because I don't know where mine actually went, but I've had an old bottle. And again, I use tons of product, but I had an old bottle. But CarPro Pearl is a pretty good one because you can dilute it and control your level of gloss or sheen or shine that you want based on the dilution ratios that you choose, which is actually pretty cool. And again, this brush is awesome. These are a dime a dozen. I'm not upset that this got messed up. This is by no means their fault, and it is what it is. This is the bottle doing what it does, and the shippers probably didn't treat this too fantastic, so now I've got to go through. This is kind of hilarious. I probably shouldn't be touching this in all reality with my bare hand, so that was kind of funny. What we are going to do is spray super clean degreaser on the bottle so that I can wipe this bad boy down and still handle this bottle, because it is kind of funkaricious. So I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I'm gonna wipe that down. But anyway, that's all we have for you today. Or that's all I have for you today. I don't know why I keep saying we. Where the hell is there a we? Hello? Hello? Is anybody else here? No, just me. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate all of the support as always. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is another awesome Glovebox detail box. If you needed a wheel cleaner, if you wanted to try an all-in-one polish, for instance, and you're on the fence and you never really thought to get one, there it is. If you want to have a pretty baller tire dressing, that is absolutely worth it. And there's a brush and a sponge applicator, so it's pretty awesome. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.